Welcome to Anhui Ruanbang Heavy Industry Machinery Company Limited. RBQLTY is looking for global agents. Ruanbang handles CNC fiber laser cutting machine, CNC press brake, CNC shearing machine, and other metal machines. With more than 25 years production experience, exported to more than 160 countries. Our company covers an area of 50,000 square meters. It is quite a large company. This provides plenty of room to build machines. Factory environment is designed for international standards, safety compliance. There are 100+ employees, including 20 engineers, which allows 150+ sets output per month. With CE standard quality, RBQLTY CNC fiber laser cutting machine, CNC press brake, CNC shearing machine, and other metal machine all come in different colors, models, and configurations, and can be customized according to your needs. Delivery time is usually 15 to 60 days, depending on the model of the machine. All range machines with EU standard has CE, ISO, SGS certification. There is Professional Documents Department. Provide all the documents for clearance custom, such as packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, Form E, Form A, and other special documents. RBQLTY is our registered brand name. It represents Ruanbang and quality. Ruanbang is a quickly developing company, putting quality as first priority and final goal. Quality must come first, and service must be best.
RB Quality focuses on the metal processing machines, locates the high-end market. Advanced technology and modern management keep us at the forefront of industry development. At present, we have more than 30 agents in different regions of the world and are still looking for cooperation with more agents. Our business philosophy, quality changes the world, service creates value. Waiting for your join, sincerely looking forward to develop with us together.